Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the easy steps for changing your Trello email notifications. Now, you might be receiving an overwhelming number of emails from Trello, or maybe you just want to ensure that you're only notified about the things that matter most to you. Whatever the reason, let's get right to it. First up, sign into your Trello account. This is your access point to all Trello settings. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're changing the settings for the correct account, which is quite crucial. Now that you've logged in, let's navigate to the settings. Click on your profile picture located at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This helps us because all the options to customize your account, including email notifications, are located here. Thirdly, on the Settings page, scroll down to Email Notification Frequency. Here's where the magic happens. This is where you can control how often Trello emails you. Next up, click on the drop-down button and choose your preferred frequency. Options range from instantly, periodically, or never. The reason we do this is so you can have control over the frequency of emails you receive. If you want updates as they happen, choose instantly. For less frequent updates, choose periodically, and if you'd prefer no email updates at all, never is your go-to option. Finally, once you've made your selection, remember to click on Save. This finalizes your new settings. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't save, Trello won't register any of the changes you've made, and your email notifications will remain as they were. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Trello email notifications. This simple process puts you back in control of your inbox, ensuring that you only get the Trello updates you need when you need them. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to check back for more helpful tutorials to make your digital life easier. Until next time, happy Trelloing.